make the direction here, and it has star. So now we measure the battery connector. One pin here, and one pin here. Listen, da. So it proves it has it is no problem. Let me again. Listen, it has da. So we prove that it is also good. So the electric has no problem. The whole electric has no problem. Then we need to arrow to arrow. Last of all, check the power wire to see if it is tight enough, and check the main wire, arrow to arrow, arrow to arrow, arrow to arrow. Yes, and we push the controller inside the frame.